Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy low messy updo. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. Now I'm just going to section off the crown area and we're going to place this into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. And then just clip this out of the way for now. Split the remaining hair in half, and again we're going to create 2 more low ponytails. So you should be left with 2 ponytails on the bottom and 1 just slightly higher. Apply some wax spray all over the head. I will pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then we're going to gently pinch and pull at the hair all across the crown and sides of the head to give it a messy textured look. So starting with that middle ponytail, we're just going to split it in half and loosely wrap the sections around one another and tie it off with another elastic band. Apply some more wax spray all along that twist and gently pinch and pull to give it a fuller look. Next, all we're going to do is wrap that twist around the elastic band into a loose bun shape and just secure it to the head all the way around with a few bobby pins. And we're just going to repeat the same process on that left hand ponytail. So create a loose twist, add some spray and pinch and pull. And now we're going to take this twist up and over the top of that little bun and down the right hand side so it covers the other elastic, and again secure to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. And then we're just going to do the same on that last ponytail. So create a twist, apply your spray and then just pinch and pull it apart. And this one we're going to take over to the left under the bun and bring it up around the top and again secure it with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.